1 minute meditation is a powerful yet simple tool for stress relief, offering a quick way to reset and recharge during a hectic day. In our fast-paced world, finding time for mindfulness can seem challenging, but dedicating just a minute to meditation can make a significant difference in your mental and emotional well-being. 1 minute meditations are beneficial because they allow you to pause and center yourself, reducing stress and anxiety almost instantly. These brief moments of mindfulness help you reconnect with the present, calm your mind, and break the cycle of stress before it spirals out of control. They're also highly accessible. No special environment or equipment is needed, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. Here are a few simple exercises to help you integrate 1 minute meditations into your life. 1. Breath awareness. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4. Hold the breath for a count of 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for another count of 4. Repeat this for 1 minute, focusing entirely on the rhythm of your breath. 2. Body scan. Sit or stand comfortably and close your eyes. Starting at the top of your head, slowly move your attention down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Breathe into those areas and release the tension as you exhale. 3. Gratitude. Reflection. Take a minute to think about something you're grateful for. Focus on the feeling of gratitude, allowing it to fill your mind and body. This positive focus can help shift your mood and reduce stress. 4th, mindful observation. Find an object near you, a plant, a cup, or even your hand. Spend a minute observing it closely, noticing its texture, color, and shape. This exercise grounds you in the present moment. By practicing these short meditations regularly, you can manage stress more effectively and cultivate a sense of calm throughout your day. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.